welcome back to Sai Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi soap histories and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngoSibongile and the Dlamini's. Well ke abantu baningi kudala ke besola ukuthi lo mdlalo is coming to an end. uFumphila, the entertainment commentator, confirmed that 3 days ago on Twitter wathi ke Sibongile and Dlamini's ending the popular Mzansi Wethu telenovela will be ending after its current season. The show will be replaced by a new telenovela set to be produced by Chedza Pictures, the production company behind the telenovela Anjengo the River, Dabeha the Empire, Champions, Legacy, and Itonga. So guys, now you have it. You know ukuthi ke uSibongile and the Dlamini's uyaphela guys. Ama comment abantu bathi ke finally they lost it ngo season 1. Abanye babuza ukuthi ke kanti ke uMulti Choice ke une contract noma ke une relationship no Chedza Pictures ngoba sengazuthi uChedza Pictures usebhala zonke izitori uwona wonke ke ama channel manje. Omunye ke uthi Kwenzo and Sibongile stories never matured. The name of the telenovela was not supposed to be the Dlamini's. Missed 1 episode and never went back. It does Chedza Pictures has a long-standing tender with Multi Choice, where Chedza again something is fishy here. Chedza isn't giving us anything good at the money. I wonder why they keep getting these gigs. Yeah, so guys, yeah, injalo ke indaba ke bakithi. We are hoping ngosami ukuthi ke maybe sizo enjoy the new story, because this one like really it lost it tasty yayo ngo season 1 toward the end nje yabona isikhathi sashisa ngempela. We are hoping ukuthi yazini uSibongile will be happily ever after. Laphana ke benokwenzo ke bazoba na that kind of a relationship bese imagine sibe nezingane. So they've been dragging a story ke sikaSibongile guys, and I feel like they are not the main characters now compared to season 1. So manje nje they have tried bakithi bafaka nama storyline abophetheni no Samge no guys, no, it lost ngempela. Yalahlekelwa ke storyline ku season 1. So ke kodwa ke it's coming to an end. Well guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion ukuthi wena ke are you happy with le story siyaphela, ubufisa ukubona ini engenzekanga. So yeah guys, bye and welcome.